Too much GH. Shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
For me, but Obibia Aqua Stronghold and about Too Much GH anything so. Munya ba mo so for medical and I made in someone as circulating a my mo eba somo. Now it's here for it name near course so apart from a year election yeah this is shared so on the 7th December 2020. Now and what you know easy about out I declare a year result next in nature Ghana for the dona our belonging to a year NDC among your quality one busu protesting. One butaya, one the demonstrating protesting in Nane say. One to say easy. When do quarry a year that results now what they bet to jam. Now election no one is say and yet free and fair. Even though say one when you approve will be a chair say and yet free and fair. Now in nature no, I yes said Danny Dana for do duana joma drain chair. Tuja my drink no definitely near what Jina what they chair and so belongs to a certain party. Now in the favor a declaration in favor into not just what Bejan and drink chair at their two what's and it's here for Nini name a year freelance journalist, award winning journalist such as a Ghana ha. Boy, Juman Kasa, what Ginny Ding, Annie Ding, Eddie, Manasseh, Azuri, Awoni, will making a shocking revelation be about a year election year, and call so any flag bearers. One mother a year, a man who tuning in a year MPP, MDC, a man who nay, a brandy, nay, someone will be two Johnny in Anne say, Madam Bawa, Joyce Bawa. And I will be making statement to be said. Ghana for a year demonstration air cost so do na HRS Ghana for no papa so move voting my year is SNS Nanado Dankwa in 2016. Now and known as a year statement a year Madam Joyce Bauer. Wo claim me say the boss so no do no say woman vote 2016 the betu jana Uncle ye ama a year award winning journalist a year Azuri awani Manasseh. Now o make revelation says a year 2016 nanka ekoba say a year former president John Dramani Mahama kwa any a year wo gwan enanka wo mo standi anka wo no wo beto na aba e di ama ogwan no esan say wo no wo to na aba ma a year former president John Dramani Mahama in 2012. Then so na membu I call so it was unaccepted. Inti no crown pointing na 2016 why na dream pass the former president the obetweti and pan e kopa say the ogwan jina one year day former president Kwame Jina wanka wono no obusu jina na asem anu so kasa ready there wo beto e de ama eye ogwan no. Now what to say even though say ekoba say 2016 wono wato na ba de ma eye is SNS na the down pan no nkyere say na wo persatitude no penipa na che say wo betu eye Mahama efri akonya so na woni option bia na etie for ne nsem a wakan die na che say utimu sa no ye hye papa ena masemba ko pa eye Madam Joyce Bauer e di betu dwa etie for ma me fantu dwa se nya nsem ni si ko ye the way ye Madam Joyce Bauer be kan nsem any the way ye trigger ye journalist yi ma wo no so the nsem say e betu dwa etie for ye nkwe Joyce Bauer Moktari, who claimed this ago that Ghanaians have regretted voting out her boss, Mahama. Manasseh disagreed. It for Hannah 30, Manasseh disagreed in a long article cited by mynewsgh.com. Manasseh said he was so disappointed with John Mahama in 2016, even though he voted for him in 2012. that even a sheep would have gotten his vote. It for saying I'm sitting someone to Jack Canelo. Now, to as well. In fact, if the only alternative to John Mahama in the 2016 election was a sheep, I would have voted for that sheep. Therefore, say na waka no say some ready dey na desperation no wo pa say nyoma nkoyie nyoma nto asum che say amambu ni mu aye hidum so na dware Ghana ti some ready dey na che say ya boa kan ye di gina ya na wo no na aba no na ebe kwa ma 2016 therefore ye nto anensem no so e na what to as say take a look at the statement he made. I told myself in 2016 that no matter how terrible Akufo-Addo governs, I would not regret voting against John Mahama. This is how I describe the John Mahama presidency in my latest book, The Fourth John, Reign, Rejection and Reborn. For him, say me hwɛ sɛ nea wosi kan ni abia na kyerɛ sɛ that time ni there na wayɛ mean papa o baby a wɔto na aba de akɔ for anso wayɛ nto ane nsɛm no so the John Mahama presidency was a cancerous tumor who removal called for an internal Thanksgiving service. For ni nsɛm ya no yɛ hye papa. So the John Mahama regime was a blot on the already decaying conscience of the nation, an error of an era, and a tragic accident in the history of our country. Now, a journalist in someone working there, not just a former President John Dramani Mahama. Na membuo mre so ne de or how accident musuo che musuo ne yaka se cancer spread na che so timu se enyoma nkoyie kra na se ya na wototo ne nsam to wosa etie ko mamento aso emfa ensomo I say the fact based on which I came to that conclusion are well documented in the book the obscenity and impunity of the Mahama government was getting out of hand and the nation was about to crash into an abyss. We needed a break, a moment to pause and a change course. For me, it was anything but John Mahama. It was anything but John Mahama. It's for Oshani say mo si sam ready there na abro so just say baby a choke Ghana for a choke enyoma enkoye enyoma nfakra na sam ready there it's in the book bi a just say wa trail documented and also just say we can be brainty we sure say book ni there that bia me amitima papa bi na me hwe nsem o de atudwe ya na chese book ni nsem be wo mu papa na ye to as me fa na ye ni nsem a wo kan twatwo no efa enso mo for say na wasa kan nsem. In fact, if the only alternative to John Mahama in the 2016 election was a ship, I would have voted for the ship. 3 years later, I am disappointed in the alternative. The incorruptible and no-nonsense personality of Akufo-Addo turned out to be a well-packaged lie. For say oboha even though say wochi emra na NDC for amanyokuo nu ti akonya so ochi omoni mo no wasaka ya be fa is excellent manado dankwa di remu chi neni mo se wo no all cancer wo de anas principle 12 na ebebu amanse na ni na atrosem na tie for say na wo kan edit to as say that personality turned out to be a poisonous but some of us swallowed hook, line, sinker, and rod without questioning because we were too hungry for change. Or just as one was that time and change in an almost penny, almost maybe not so in your maybe on board when you go to and Wakra, Tropa, or and be about your corner. For saying a wakan the chat or say, but do not I regret voting out John Mahama. Still one who say we vote John Mahama out of that 2020 election to help you reconcile that seemingly incoherent views. Let me give you a scenario. And I see you marry a man who beats so badly, and you divorce him because you fear your life. Unfortunately, your next husband holds a PhD in advanced infidelity. Hey, for he will sleep with any woman who gives him the least opportunity. Na for ocean the comparison man na timu say e wo kasetwi eye amanyoko tu ni na say na nsem no wo di tu dwanete for utimu sa no ohye anu ehun na Ghana for do na akire wo mo adwen e dia fa na before me bom nsem no to fa no me fa the final words no enka eye ne scenario a wo di tu dia not both men are bad. You are considering a second divorce, and it is not possible to live without a husband. But the two men are the only possible option you can choose from. Your former husband needs you back badly, but instead of being genuinely remorseful of his violence towards you, he comes telling you that you have regret leaving him. The fact that your current husband is terrible does not offset the unacceptable behavior of your former husband. It's for not just say, oh, share, journalist, Manasseh, Azuri, I want someone work and not just say, oh, Jirana, or to someone who only option Biana, one monocra, there were two naconasun in your toma and a crampono, and Nini Nan, Chesse, one and butter, and it's only option Bia say, yeah, they are, say Baku, and I will bet Naconan. They say, what I didn't say, two, now one noon, say, you voted a year former president out now face na don't want to supporting engine and mambo and to Musan. We did this also war adventure at the found our adventure to your comment section or Emma may please subscribe to my GHFD say yeah did you make the bell to one I want to say to me I could be no to me I share what a day I found our like a share promote a year channel way and then the munya bam so for Messi come digital way to my so Emma mo aha na me be ma me kwan na me di mo esi dasene ye besa ehia makarabo